It's your Ilongga Get Dressed With Me girly! Yes, another day, another Get Dressed With Me. Ang mga balloon sa ilalim is nagpuputukan kasi ang init. So come get dressed with me because I will accompany my aunt going to the dentist. Akala mo naman ako yung magpapadentist. For today, these are my choices. The first one, I bought at Ukay-Ukay yesterday, and its brand is No Boundaries. And look at that, perfect for Filipina morena skin. And this is Forever 21. So I got this for 50 pesos each at the Ukay-Ukay. So let's try it on and let's see which is which. So this is what I got for the first option. So how was it? Comment down below and I'll try the other one. So this is for the other option. So which is which? I think that one is good, but I prefer to be a little bit of a girly today. So I think I'm gonna use this one. So for the pants, I'm thinking about wearing this one or this one or this one. Ooh, I think I'll go with this one. The only problem with thrift shopping is that sometimes it's not your size and all you have to do is to adjust it. So this is my technique if ever that the top is not my size. I tend to like do this. Oh, I'm having a hard time. Wait. There, much better, right? Yeah, it looks fit na. And this is for my footwear pala. And this is for my accessories. So I'm just a simple province girl. Simple, but yeah, nothing fancy that much because I do not wear fancy things in life. I just go to Ukay-Ukay or do Shopee or do TikTok shop. But yeah, I'm happy with it. I'm happy to style myself with the Ukay-Ukay or the thrift clothes that I have here, and still it looks great, right? This is for my bag, and this is for my shades because it's so hot in here. I need to protect my eyes. Ta-da! So how would you rate it? Next time I will wear the mustard one. But I think I want this one to be able to look just like girly and just presentable to the eyes. Si Omega. So DJ Turnell.